video, I'm going to talk about a new website, a new traffic source for your CPA marketing. So if you want to make money from CPA marketing, this is one of the websites that you can use it for free without investing any money, that you can produce content and you can make money from CPA marketing. So for example, that you can see here, you can make money like this one, $3, $4, $7 per sign up. So all you have to do is produce some content, put the link, people sign up, and they put the email address, and you get paid this money for free. So this is a website generating over 360,000 views every single month as a traffic, and this website is new and growing continuously. So I'm going to show you how you can produce the content, how you can link back to your CPA marketing and everything. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorials. Before that, I make videos and money making, money saving tutorial. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like, and share, guys. So before I show you the website, you need to understand one thing: where you're gonna get your CPA marketing offers. CPA stand for cost per acquisition or cost per action. So whenever the people put the email address for the offer that you are promoting, you get paid. So there's a different type of CPA marketing. Some of them had to complete the offer, some of them had to sign up, some of them they had to buy something or subscribe to something. So if people subscribe or buy something, you get paid a higher commission for that CPA offers. But these offers that you can see it from here, you get paid on $3, $7, $6 per sign up. Just they had to put the email address. So this is the product I want to promote. It's called Life Points. It's a survey sites that work worldwide, that you can say from here: USA, UK, Hong Kong, Germany, Spain, Singapore, and Italy. So what you have to do, you have to promote this one. Again, this is the new website. I'm not sure you can direct link back to your CPA offers. To avoid that, what you can do, you can go to simple Google site and create a simple website like this one I created for my offers. That you can see, take a survey and shape the page. It's the same thing I copied from the Life Points website. And basically, you can see these are the right now I'm promoting these 6 countries at the moment. I want to promote other countries. Basically, what you do, you copy and paste that flag inside that pictures and the name, that you can insert your affiliate link. For example, if this is the offers I want to promote for USA, I just click this one, a type of offer that you want, a type of you can see traffic is a search or social, that you can click social or display, and you can click a row link, and this is the link you have to copy and paste it inside here, inside the text, inside the pictures. So after that, you publish the site. Your site is gonna look like this one. So whenever people click this flag or the name, it will take to the proper offer. So people from Malaysia click it this one, or people from Indonesia click this one, or people from India click this one, it will take to their offers. They sign up, I get paid for that. So now you understand the basic idea. So instead of you direct linking from the website, I'm going to show you, because they will block it in the future or they will ban you from it. To avoid that, you need to have a simple landing page or bridge page. Google site is one of them free way to do it, so you can do that here. So after you did that, you can do it in a different way for your different offers. So because of this one, I already made it, that's why I'm showing that. So you copy this URLs, you're going to promote it here. So the website is called a listly, so list list.ly listly, that you can see here. This is a website that showing the content like a list format. So you can see 9 iPhone apps to use on a low light, best ones for photography. So if you open, so you can see 640 people viewed it, and around 210 people like this one, or favorite or like, it's the same thing. And 105 min is article is where is the ranking on Listly. So at the moment it's ranking on 105. This article are ranking on 87. This is 160. So, but you can see all of those articles are generating a couple hundred views every single day. That you can say 12,000 views, 107,000 views. My top 33 digital marketing blog. So if you open that, you can link your websites. Each, like you can see, this is like a list format, all the websites that you can link back. Or if you go back, and you can see here other type of list that I want to show you here. This is the one, tools and service for the learned startup. So what we do, we search for something on here. See, we search weight loss here. Okay, So you're going to see what type of articles they published on Listly. That you can see 17 tips for weight loss. Click open that, and you can see there's a big banner, and this is a simple introduction that you can see a list 1, 2, 3, 4 basic list format. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna create some content for this website, and you're going to insert your affiliate link inside that. So whenever people watch your list, and when they click the link, I will take to your page where they sign up, you get paid for that. Very simple, right? So right now you understand how you with this website. I'm going to show you how you're going to post the content. Before that, if you like this video, please guys like this video, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys. After you've done that, you can create a free account with them. Don't worry about going through, I'm going to explain that in a minute. Don't worry about that. It's completely free for the beginners. Don't worry about that. You can use your Facebook or LinkedIn account to create a free account with them. I use my Facebook to create a free account with them. After that, you have to click this one called make a list. Now depend on your CPA. So first you have to decide what kind of content that you want to create. At the moment I am promoting a survey site, so I'm going to create top 10 survey site to make money. So I'm going to type the name. So you can see I already did that, top 10 best survey site worldwide, and you can select the see these three are pro accounts, so don't worry about that. You can go with the this one, magazine type. This is the one I showed you earlier. There's a big banners and something like that, or you can go with this simple like a list format. So right now I'm going to go with the list format here. Click that, and you're going to write a simple description. So here, this is the article I found it on top 20 survey site on the planet that you can see, and you can copy that basic introduction from here, copy that, put it on here, and the tags. So you have to keep very simple and short tags. So I'm gonna keep like a make money online and comma survey sites comma top 10, something like that. So you can add as many as tags that you want, but we have to remember that keep it short. Don't put the long tags on here. So don't worry about this. This is for the pro account. After you did this part, and you have to click this one, add item. Now it will take you to the second page where you can add item. Here is like a blog post, so you're gonna click this one called add text, and here you're gonna put the type name. So here you can see this is a website, and just for example this one, Tulana survey is for worldwide. So copy that, put it on here, and what you do, go back, save this image. Okay, then copy this basic description of that website, come back here Listly, put it on here, click upload the picture that you have downloaded, upload it on here. Now what you do here inside that, you can do 2 ways to make money. First, what you can do, you can directly link Tulana for you. For example, you can create a free account with Tulana that you can promote Tulana people. So you can highlight this Tulana part, and you can insert the link of your affiliate or referral link for the Tulana. So whenever people click and sign up for Tulana, you can get some kind of commission from this website itself. On here, I'm gonna do this one here. I'm gonna type simple sentence like you can earn more money worldwide with this website, right? And you're gonna say more website, more survey every day, and daily payout, right? After you type the sentence, highlight it, and go back to your Google site, get your shareable link from that, copy that, come back to Listly, highlight it, click this link button, put the link here, click OK, and bold it, right? And click save all. You can add the tags if you want, and say after you save that you can see this is your list gonna look like. You can add the list up to 10 that you can see here. Whenever people click this link, it will take to your landing page. From there people sign up and you can make money with this website. Carefully understand guys, with this website is completely free, right? And like I said before, it's completely free. Okay, I can go back to your front page. It is like a social media list page that you can make a list here. It is completely free, and for the completely safe for the beginners. You don't have to invest any money. That you create a list, just copy and paste from different website, make a list, put it on here, and you put your affiliate link here. That you can see 7 best song for testing speakers and headphone. That you can see this article, this post has a nearly 500,000 views, guys, right? If you open that, I fairly sure they have affiliate link for the Amazon, something like that. Okay, if they are promoting a show here, again, you can do Amazon affiliate link. You can put top 10 toys, top 10 speakers, top 10 computers, and you can put the pictures and the name, and you can put the Amazon affiliate link inside it, and people click it, they buy it, you get commission from affiliate marketing from Amazon, guys. So if you go to your icon here and click this one, list, and remove that ad, close this one. This is the ad that you can see. You can watch all the list that you created in your profile, guys. Again, click this one called Go Pro, and it will take you to this page. And here that you can see 3 free lists for new users, 50 item maximum. That means if you join today, you can create 3 free lists for free. After that, you can create only 1 list per week, and you can only put 10 items inside that, like a top 10 list here. Okay, and again, this is for free account. If you go Pro, you can do unlimited things, but you have to pay $4.99 per month. Don't worry about this Pro at the moment. What you do now, use this free account to post content, proper content, promoting your CPS offers or affiliate offers from this website. When you start to make a commission from whatever the network that you're promoting, then you can buy it. Because for example, if I make a sale, 2 sales, I already made a $6 commission. So I come back to list here and upgrade it for 1 month. Then I post unlimited content, and I will make lots of commission for my CPA offers. Basic idea. So you start with nothing, then reinvest back, and you grow your net worth, guys. So basic idea. So go and check out this website called Listly, where you can post free content and promote CPS offers or affiliate offers, and you can make money from home, guys. So this is the best way to make money online in 2021 from home. So check it out, try this website, leave me that in the comment section. Did you post any content on Listly, guys? Or also you can share the link, I can check it out, I can like, I can follow your account, guys. So we can share our traffic source, guys. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, again, subscribe, like, and share. And then have a good day. See you next video, guys.